Hey guys, it's your girl Designisme. Welcome back to Designisme Daily, where we design our own clothes, we design our own business, and we design our own lives. And in today's video, as you guys could see, I'll be giving you guys an update as to how my postpartum wrapping journey has gone over the last year. So it's been a year since I told you guys that I would have been wrapping using brown cotton after having my son. And I've seen the comments. You guys have been asking, please give us an update. What does your tummy look like? How has your wrapping process been for you? So I'm going to give you guys an update in this video. We're going to chit chat a little bit about how I currently feel about my body, how my body responds to stress, my weight gain journey that I've been on for the longest while, as well as things that I want to implement for the new year. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, this is how my tummy currently looks. It's been a year wrapping my tummy using brown cotton. Now, it's been a little more than a year. What's important to note is that I have not wrapped my tummy on a consistent basis over the last year. It has been a combination of wrapping with brown cotton, using my waist trainer, not wrapping, or using my waist trainer at all. It's just been a very, very inconsistent journey. So this is how my tummy currently looks. What I would say is, even though my tummy is pretty flat, it does have a lot of loose skin. So I really want to explore what treatments I can venture into in order to correct the loose skin. Now, working out is a given, of course. I have not been working out on a consistent basis over the last year. That's also understood. The way how my body responds to working out is my body tones up really, really quickly. I am naturally a very, very athletic person. So from the moment I start working out, I could do 2 squats and I'm going to see the results instantly. I also used to dance when I was younger. So that was my means of like keeping my body fit all around. So from the moment I am not active, I'm not moving my body, I'm not going to the gym, it's like I lose weight, I lose muscle. It's just not a cute look at all. So I know once I start back working out, my skin is going to get a lot tighter. So that is a commitment that I need to make and I intend to make. Something else that I want to incorporate is wood therapy. I also want to incorporate maybe, what do you call it? Cavitation. I need to do some more research into the whole cavitation thing, but I've heard some pretty good things about it, so I definitely want to try it. For the new year, I really want to take care of myself. I want to take better care of myself. And it's not that I have not been taking care of myself, but I want to take better care of myself. One of the things that I realized this year as well is my body does not respond to stress in a positive way. So most people, when they're under stress, they stress eat and they gain weight. I don't have that problem. When I'm under stress, I lose weight. Um, Not necessarily because I am starving myself. I mean, sometimes I don't have an appetite, but even if I'm eating the same foods and the same amount of foods when I'm stressed or when I'm stressed, my body simply does not absorb the food the way it would if I'm not stressed. So my body refuses to maintain weight or gain weight when I'm stressed. I'll take it a step further. When I am in work mode or hustle mode or do, get it done, get it done, get it done, deadline, 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 that comes with an element of stress in itself. So it's like ambitious stress. And that in itself prevents me from gaining weight. So something that I definitely want to, you know, focus more on is resting in my feminine flow, a feminine energy that is just relaxed and goes with the flow, and it isn't so rigid, it isn't so masculine, it isn't so do, get it done, get it done, get it done. I would like it to be more of do things because it's fun, create from a fun place, do things that you enjoy, and if it's not fun, don't. If you don't want to, say no. That's the type of energy that I want to flow with, because From the moment I am comfortable in resting in that energy, I eat, I gain weight, my body loves that type of energy. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I want femininity to be my default. And I've also realized that femininity is my default. Like when I'm not so like focused on being super ambitious and hitting this goal and getting this done, naturally, I just want to be with my children. Naturally, I just want to give. Naturally, I just want to, you know, be soft and cuddle and be told what to do. And, it's just, I love that. I love that. But you'll also know I'm a Libra. So, it's all about balance and the scales for me. So, it's really just about finding that very, very balanced state. But whatever the balanced state is, whether it's like hyper focused and super ambitious and getting things done, I still want it to be from a place of feminine. I'm creating from a feminine place. I am resting in my femininity. I am, I don't ever want it. I no longer want to feel the pressures of, being so masculine. Anyways, so that's the updates on my tummy. um, those are the things that I want to implement for the new year. Definitely want to start by working out. I may start back dancing as well because I genuinely enjoy dancing. And it was always a way for my entire body to stay as fit as possible. I want to start incorporating some, more self-care routines. So like wood therapy, cavitation, skin tightening, things. I am not opposed to plastic surgery at all. So if at any point I decide to, get a little liposuction, get a little nip and tuck, you'll heard it here first. That's the update, guys. That's the update. That's how we looking. 1 year and a little bit postpartum. And that's just what it is. What I will show you guys though is when I initially started wrapping, I used to wrap like one way. So I would keep the bun cotton like super, super flat and just wrap it all the way around my tummy. But I discovered a new way to wrap that is a little bit more effective. So let me show it to you guys. So I have my bun cotton here. Of course, it's just this very, very long strip of bun cotton, nothing fancy. But what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to start here. And once I have the first one on me like this, I am going to start twisting. Actually, no, let me not start twisting now. Let me make sure that I have a good enough grip. Let me make sure it's really, really like wrapped around me properly. Okay, so it's wrapped around me properly. But what I'm going to start doing now is on the different sides of my body, so like this side, that side, as well as my tummy area where I need the compression, I'm actually going to twist this like so that way it can pull the side and it could really, really give me the compression that I need in that particular area. Right, so I just did that side. I'm going to come around and I'm going to do the front now. Make sure that where it twists, it's hitting the area that you want it to pull. Like that's really important. And you pull as tight as you could get it. Right? Going around again. This time, I'm twisting there. I need to shave my armpits. I need to wax my armpits. Sorry. I haven't shaved in like 3 years. Could be more. I need to wax my armpits. So just don't judge me, okay? I love you all. You already know what's up. Okay. Right? And you just keep going all the way around as much as you could. Tight as you could. Right? So my mic actually died at this point and I did not realize. So I was talking and of course you guys could not hear me. So what I was saying is you just continue wrapping all the way around, and when you get to the end, you just tuck the ends into the wrap on the top as well as the bottom. And usually what I would do is I would take my corset and I would put my corset over the wrap just for an extra layer of compression. So if you do have a corset, then you can put it on if you want that extra layer of compression. If you are fresh out of postpartum, like a week, 2 weeks, and you can't deal with the extra, compression, then the wrap is perfectly fine. It's a great place to start. um, so there you have it, guys. I really, really hope that you guys enjoy this update. I hope that you guys are having an amazing holiday season. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you guys in my next one.